Welcome to WDD's Hotspot, sponsored by Components Corp. I'm Jennifer Della Osa, Associate Editor, and in this week's episode, Intelligent Wearable Voice Recorder, Biohybrids Help Grow Architecture and Food, and Polymer-Coated Medicine Remains Inactive Until Triggered. SenseStone is an AI-powered pendant that lets you take smart notes on the go. This device is 5 times faster and much more convenient than any smartphone app, since it automatically converts your voice notes into text and organizes them for easy access. SenseStone's screen consists of 17 white LEDs that inform the user of key activities such as starting and ending a recording, battery status, and charging. It's all displayed by flashing patterns and shapes with the LED array. The wearable can act as a standalone device, but also allows for third-party app integration. The company created their own firmware that works specifically with audio files, as it records and transmits high-quality audio without data loss. After the audio tracks are captured, the device sends that data through the AI-powered system in the cloud. All the recorded information is encrypted and highly protected during data transfer over the air. The hardware is also optimized for low energy consumption, allowing for about 4 days of average use. SenseStone is currently featured on Kickstarter, and if all goes as planned, production is scheduled for later this summer.
Researchers from Poland, Denmark, Germany, and Austria are taking the term green to a whole new level. Sponsored by the EU, a group of biologists, mechanical engineers, computer scientists, and architects have started the Flora Robotica project, which aims to create plant-robot biohybrids designed to autonomously organize, interact, and grow in accordance to human needs. These robot gardens would possess all the components and capabilities of regular plants while having programmable robotic interfaces serve as catalysts for the plant's natural course of growth. With these attributes, biohybrid vegetation could independently grow and repair themselves using robotic components that would collect and analyze data in order to facilitate any necessary adjustments and adaptations. Flora Robotica is currently thinking small with this concept, but feel this project has astronomical potential. Outside of being a viable resource for nourishment and other resources to accommodate the basic needs of a growing human population, these cyber-organic plants could theoretically be modified to create plant-made architecture like residential homes and buildings, using materials like braid systems and vertical framework to aid formations of such structures. If successful, a concept of this magnitude could one day create fully green cities that provide its inhabitants with food, clothing, shelter, and other means of living from a renewable, eco-friendly source.
How a drug is delivered to a targeted area can make them more effective against disease. Researchers at Western University are developing polymer coatings for medicine that can release drugs exactly when and where they're needed. These packages could also be useful in agriculture to protect seeds and deliver fertilizer more efficiently. Prodrugs are harmless to the body and will remain inactive until they're triggered by something like heat, light, or contact with a specific protein or molecule. The Western University research is using the same principle, keeping drugs locked up tight inside special polymers until they're needed, which doctors can release on demand by applying heat, light, or another trigger. That way, less of a drug will be needed in each dose, and the damage to the healthy cells caused by treatments like chemotherapy can be reduced or removed. These mini suitcases, as the team calls them, could also find use in agriculture. Encasing seeds in a protective polymer layer can guard them against killer frost, allowing them to germinate only after the danger has passed. Fertilizers, which can pollute the environment if they're washed away by the weather, could also be wrapped up and released on demand when it best suits the crops. That's all for this week's episode. Be sure to check in on Facebook and Twitter and catch past episodes at wirelessdesignmag.com. For the WDD channel, I'm Janine Mooney. Thanks for watching.